Hello guys, welcome to TECHHELPLINE. I hope you all are doing well. Today you will learn how to recover Freshworks account. Before I start this video, be sure to subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on bell icon. So let's begin. At first, go to the web browser and type freshworks.com in the search bar and hit enter. Click on free trial button. Click on sign in. Now tap on sign in with Google button. Choose an account. When a user cannot gain access to his or her accounts because he or she cannot access the phone and had lost the recovery code downloaded at the time of configuring 2FA, the user can request a one-time recovery from the organization admin. An email request will send with the link that will redirect the admin to the page from where the recovery code can be sent. Click on the Send Recovery Code button. Or else, the organization admin can navigate to the Neo Admin Center users. Search for the user. Under the Security tab, click on the Send Recovery Code button. I hope you guys like this video. I will see you in the next one. Thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon.